Hello, friends. Uh, I'm back. Today I'm designing this rock, paper, scissors small app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's get it started with this one. Okay, I have already created index file here. So let's bring boilerplate. Okay, uh, exclamation and tab or enter will bring this top part. Okay, then let's design this one. So this one is rock, paper, scissors. This is a game. When you click in this one, it will say player's pick is rock, and then computer will pick rock randomly. So in this case, it is a tie. And if you choose this one, paper, player's pick is paper, and then computer's pick is rock, meaning paper can wrap this, cover this rock, so paper won the game, meaning here you won the game, and the player's score has gone up. Similarly, if you choose this one, player's pick is scissor, computer's pick is rock. So rock is a winner here, meaning you lost, computer picked, won the game. So computer's score has gone up. So this is how you can design and play. You can see that there's different colors when you lose or you win or the situation is tie. So we can design all those using CSS and then we can make it functioning using JavaScript. So let's design this basic part first. Okay, I'm gonna start from container. Okay, inside container, I want to put this one first, rock, paper, and scissors. Let's put it inside as one tag, rock, paper, and scissors. Okay, we run this in live server. Okay, now what's the next? We have to make these three choices. Okay, so let's create choice class, and inside choice class, let's create three buttons. Button, and for this one, there's a mathematical code for this one. Ampersand has 87 It's a rock. Similarly, let's create another two more. Let's change this one to paper symbol 8803. This one to 9988. Okay. And then we have to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This display message. So what we can do for those is let's create 5 ID, div, d player display. Let's get 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I want to show players. Player. Yeah, I want to show computer. Yeah, I want to show results. Yeah, I want to show players score. Reduce score. And let's give ID name for this computer score. For this player score. For this visual display. Player display, computer display. Computer display, okay. Now we have created this 5. That's all we need, I think. Yeah, that's all we need. for this one. Now we can add CSS for this, and we can create a skin like this. So I'm gonna create CSS within this file. Okay. Style. Inside style, let's start designing. Let's start from body. Okay. Body. Let's set font family to this one. Let's set font with 900 for everything. Okay. Margin 0. Padding 0. I have to set everything in the center. Align item center. That's the line. Center. Okay. Body. Let's design container. Container is class, so it should be dot container. Curly bracket, and then let's bring the background to image. Okay. Position absolute. Width, let's set width 70%. Container. Okay. Let's place this in the center. Up margin 50%. Left 50%. Okay, and then transform it by minus 50% minus 50%. So there is two parentheses. Okay, that's in the center of the screen. Okay, then let's design. Let's set the border radius first. Border radius 10. Okay. Let's design yes one. Let's set background HSL 1 to 90% saturation and 70% lightness. Okay. Let's do box shadow. This is from 2 pixel x-axis, 2 pixel y-axis, and then let's blend with 10 pixel. Okay. Border radius 15 pixel. Let's make it 10. Okay. Padding 10 pixel. Color, one color, let's hello. Okay. Font size, let's set 40 pixel. And font dot is already set. Inside body tab, okay. Let's design the choice buttons, okay. Since this is choices class, let's start with dot choices. Let's have margin button. to 20 pixel. Okay. Then let's do choices button. Font size 4M. Okay. Moving mobile 90 pixel. Okay. Margin left top and bottom 0. Let's set bottom like 20. Okay. Border radius 50%. So it will be round. Okay. Let's say background color HSO 200, light 100%. Sorry, saturation 100%, lighting 70%. Okay. Okay. Now let's work on hover color. So is the button hover. I want to copy shape color, but I want to decrease lighting a little bit. Whenever we hover over. Oh no. I want to set this to 50. Okay. Now let's change the font size for this one. So all these IDs player. So I since the ID, so we should start with has player display has completed this way and there score has completed score has the results display. Let's set font size 2.5 rem. Okay. And margin 10 pixel. Okay. We are pretty much done with this CSS styling thing. Okay, so let's do JavaScript. I'm creating script within this file. So then our body tag, let's write everything inside this script. Okay, so first we have to make add listener for these buttons. Actually, what we can do is let's add listener here in the bottom. I want to put on click option here. Button on click. In case user click it, then let's create some function. Let's call some function. I want to name play game. Play game. Okay. Play game, and then since there is double quote already, I want to use single quote here. And then we have to supply something for rock. Okay. When somebody click here, then it calls play game function and supplies rock as an index. Okay. This is how we add event listener within this HTML. We can create event listener within this script as well, but I'm making it a little short. Let's copy this one. Let's apply last one, yes. Scissor, paper, and all play game, right? So now we have to create function play game. whenever we get call for this function, then it supplies something inside. So let's name that player choice player. So whenever you click, what's wrong here? Okay, whenever you click it, it supplies prop. Whenever you click it, it supplies paper, and then this will take that value. Okay, we will define this later. First, let's create some constant for all these variables. Player display, complete display, result display. Okay, and then let's create array for this choice as well. Const choice is equal to inside choice. There are rock and paper and scissor. One variable. Let's create another const player display document that get element by ID and the display. We are saving whatever comes from this one to this player display variable. Let's create const computer display is called to get element by ID computer display. Let's create another field. I want to create a result display here, and then we should get this result display value from result display ID. What's the next? Player is score. We will get player score from player score ID and set onto this constant, and then computer score. We get that from computer score. Okay. Okay. We have created those things. Now let's create. Whenever you choose this, meaning computer identifies that user had chosen rock. Now we have to create random p for computers. So inside this function, let's create a variable for computer choice. Player choice is already chosen, so let computer choice is equal to let's create random number. What does this mean? This will create random number between 0 to 0.9999. So we have to multiply this with 3. So it will be between 0 to 2. Okay. And then we have to round it. In order to make it round, we have to use this for function. Okay. Let's see what will be the result. Let's console this. What will be computer choice? Computer choice. If we go here and choose console, what will come? 2, right? 0. So either it will create 0 or 1 or 2. Okay. So this is randomly generating these numbers. Now we can use this array to choose computer's choice. This array tells us that this is choice is 0, this is choice is 1, this is choice is 2. Then if we save anything that comes from choices, okay, this will result 1, and choice is 1. It goes here, then it will read from here, and choice is 1, results paper. So computer choice will be saved as paper. Let's try. Okay, scissor, rock, 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 okay, rock, scissor. So when user is clicking, when user is always using a rock, you can see that computer is picking rock, scissor, and paper randomly. Okay, now we have created computer choice as well. We have user's choice, and when you click it, computer also picks something randomly. Now, based on those pick list, we can create other designing here. Okay, so what should we do? Now we have to work further on this. This case, let's let's comment this. Okay, now we have to first put a result here. If okay, let the results is equal to null. Okay, and then let's say if what you can do is layer twice is equal to computer twice. In this scenario, the result will be is a die. There's no other option. If player choice is rock and computer choice is also rock, it's a tie. If this is not the case, now we can use else statement. Else, then I'm using switch here. So you will be used to this. You will get to know. Switch, what we do here is switch player choice. It depends on player choice. Okay. If player choice case is equal to rock, column, then result will be computer choice is equal to Caesar question mark you own. Okay, you can write this message. Else column you lost. Okay. And then once it finish this, it will break the loop. Okay. What does this mean is if player choice, when you click in here, it is rock and computer also picks rock, then it goes here, then it saves this, it's a tie and under result. If it's not the case, meaning you choose rock and computer choose something different, scissor or paper, then it goes here. If player choice is rock, then the result will be computer choice is scissor, rock and scissor, you won. Rock and paper, you lost. Okay. Similarly, let's do other two cases. Okay. If case is for user's choice, if case is paper and computer choice is rock, user win. So the message is you won. Else, if user choice is paper and computer choice is scissor, you lost because scissor can cut paper. Okay. If user choice is scissor and computer choice is paper, you won. If user choice is scissor and computer choice is rock, then you lost. Okay. This is if, else, switch, and case statement, and I think you have better idea how to use these statements. Okay, now we have to print the result here. Okay. Now let's come here. So if this and else this, when it comes out of this loop and just out of this loop, let's do place display, because we have a variable for place display, place choice. So let's say place display that in our text is equal to place choice. Okay. Player display dot inner text is equal to player choice. Oh, we did a small mistake here. Switch loop. We forgot to put this inside curly bracket. Okay. Okay. There you go. Wrong. Right. Player choice is out here. Player choice is Caesar. Player choice is paper. Now we can write other more description. Backtick. Okay. Let's put more description. Players peak is equal to $sign, and inside curly bracket, let's put this place choice. And then let's close this with backtick. Players pick. Okay. Players pick is Caesar. Players pick is paper. Okay. We can see this. Similarly, let's print for a computer display. Computer will also randomly create something, and that is saved inside computer choice, right? Computer choice. Okay. We click this, player pick rock, computer randomly generated, and pick Caesar. Okay. Now let's print a result as well. Result display that inner text is equal to result. And then what's the variable for result? It's result. Okay, there we go. Rock, Caesar. And based on this peak, it says you won, user won it. Rock can smash this Caesar. So Rock won the game. Click it, you lost. Because user chose paper and then computer chose Caesar. Caesar can cut this paper out. So you lost. Players chose Caesar, computer chose Rock. So you lost. Okay, now it's pretty much working. Good. Now let's work on this player and computer score. Whenever you click here, then you see that you won, meaning the player score should go up by 1. When computer win, then the computer score should go by 1. When it's a tie, in that situation, no one get score. Okay, let's work on that. Okay, let's work on this color first. I want to set different color for different results. For tie, for win, for losing situation, I want to create different color. So let's go over here and then let's create 3 colors. Okay, so in between JavaScript, we can add and remove those classes whenever we need it. Okay, let's do this one green. Let's Let's say green text class and color is equal to GRAM. Let's create another class dot blue. I want to set this for one class, blue text, and let's set the color of text to blue. Similarly, let's create gold text class. Color is equal to gold. Now, I want to do is I want to add class here. Okay. Let's do whenever it prints result. Yeah, let's create when it prints results, it printed this one. When it printed this one, then we want to use that green text class. So what I want to do here is I want to create switch cases like before. Switch and cases result, right? When result is different, then do this, do that. Okay, we can ask computer to do things this way. If case is equal to you won, when the result is you won, then I want to add result display dot class list dot add. What class should we add for this one? Green text. Okay. What does this mean is when you click in this, you own colon. Okay, it's a tie. It's lost. It doesn't seem working. Okay, let's complete this fast and then I will figure out what's the wrong. Class 8. Result equal to, yeah, this. Oh, I think it should be inside this. Okay, see, when there's a you own case, then the color for that result display text will be red. Similarly, we can add color for other two cases. Control C, Control V, Control V. Result display class list. For you lost situation, I want to add blue text class. Okay, for it's a tie. It's tie. There's no exclamation situation. I want to set the color to gold. Okay, is it gold? Yes, gold. Yeah, it's gold now. Oh, you lost. It shows same color. We have to clear somewhere here. Once it prints, yeah, once it prints everything, then we have to remove this color. Results display dot class list dot remove. We should remove here green text. We should reset everything. Okay, we should remove class blue text, and we should remove class gold text. Okay, then again it goes back in the loop, it prints results, it triggers result case, and then it reads through this, and whatever it finds, then it applies that color. And again, then it goes back to this line and reset the color. Hi. We have to put break. Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay, now I can see that papers, layer speak, computer speak, and the result. Okay. All those three seem to working based on your choice, and then computer randomly picks something and it prints all those three things. Now let's work on this score thing. Okay, what should we do is we can increase his score. Let's set layer score. Let layer score is equal to 0. In the beginning, it should be 0. Let computer score is 0. Okay, then let's increase the score whenever case result case here. Okay, when it change the color, it says you won, then it should increase. P layer score is equal to P layer score plus 1. Similarly, in case of lost, you lost meaning computer won, then it should increase computer score with, we can write this way too, computer score plus plus. Okay, in case of tie, there is nothing we need to do. Okay, let's, oh, then we have to print that thing here. We can player score dot inner text. Now we have to print here player score dot inner text should be player score. Okay, it's a tie, it's a loss. Yeah, oh, it's a plus whole thing one. Okay, so we can put more description here. The players score plus. Okay, when you win, yes, player score is 1, player score is 2. It's encouraging. Similarly for computer score, computer score is equal to computer score, and then it should be C score. Okay. Player score got increased by 1. Computer score got increased by 1. Result you lost, right? Caesar is a tie. There is no change. You won. Player score. Okay. See? There you go. Okay. This is what rock, paper, and scissors game is, and I hope you followed along me, and it has given more confidence to you in practicing JavaScript, HTML, and CSS styling thing for you. Thank you for watching me. Bye.